أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you with an Islamic greeting, which is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Then I would like first of all to make a recap of what you have learned from the previous tutorial. If you could remember, you were taught on how to simply open an email account. So we opened the account or we created the account. We will learn a lot on or thoughts on some very important features in the dashboard or email address. So today we are going to also to watch to learn how to simply send or compose a mail to a non-email address. So for example, now this is my web browser. Then I can go to, like, maybe I already signed into my email address. Then I would like to even go to Gmail, or simply by clicking on the Gmail site. To some, you can't even locate it because that one are favorite things. Now maybe you can type Gmail. It's almost the same. So Gmail sign in. So let's assume you are already signing into your Gmail account. So this is the Gmail account now. Now I'd like to even, when it is finished, so you can see you can go to immediately. If you are using system or if you are using computer, you can see somewhere on the left top corner, the first icon is compose with a sign of like a pen, meaning that for you to know that when you want to write a new message or send a message to someone. Now the next immediately after compose is the inbox. Like what you are seeing here is the inbox, meaning that if someone sent you a message, when you click on inbox, you will see the both read and unread message. So then style, if you like to style some of the message, most then important. The difference between inbox and important: the important message are being what sent directly into the important uh, inbox. Then, for example, if it is important from an agency, from the bank, from the someone, then it goes straight directly to the important. So that will take you treat it as the important inbox. Most of people normally go to important when it comes to checking their mail. Then immediately after the important, we have sent. We have seen the what we call a sent. A sent message is the message that you already sent. Hmm? Is the past tense of send. So when you send a message to someone and you want to confirm whether the message uh, cleared as sent, so when you click on the sent, you will see the list of the message sent to. Uh, then there's what you call a draft. A draft is a message that yet to be what sent and saved on the draft. Meaning that when you click on drafts, you see all the messages that you are yet to send. Then it will automatically save into your drafts. Then secondly, some people used to normally store their document or important things on the drafts. So that is because they are not intending to send it to someone, to anybody, but they want to use it in future. Maybe they will scan their document, everything, and draft it as the message. So maybe next time when they are out of the house, or maybe they travel and they were asked to supply some agencies with their document, so they don't need to rush back to house. They can go to their draft method and print it out because they already scan it and upload it as a draft message. Then categories, you also see the message categories. So you can also categorize the inbox based on the category social. All those messages from the Twitter, LinkedIn, Picasa, Treltula, all those are under the social networking site. You are if the Google will categorize them under the special. If you want to check a message from the social networking site easily, you can click, instead of clicking the inbox, you can go directly to the word social. Then updates, so maybe you apply for something and some agency want to update you. No, the inbox will also, if it is update message, they normally categorize it as the update. Then forums, if you are on a forum, they most of the email received from the forum, so they can also fall under this category. Then promotions, so if there is any promotions or something like that, you can be categorized under this. So you can even chat with the friends, you can send a message, reply the message, and normally we do on WhatsApp and Facebook. Schedule, we can schedule message on their scheduled time. So when you write something, schedule it. Maybe you want to send a message to someone, maybe by then you are offline and you want him to receive the message at exact time. You can schedule your message. Let me give you a typical examples like a message from most of the bank during your birthday. So they automatically set it as schedule it as every when you enter, when they capture your date of birth, they they'll just schedule a message. Some are automatically generated, some they schedule is that when that day turn, the message, the system will automatically send you a happy birthday message, day message. So it's like a message that is being scheduled and the receiver will receive it at the scheduled time. Then all mail, when you click on the all mail, that means that the categories of the mail, all mail like both social, promotion, and forums, other etc. etc. That means you will see all the message. Just read an unread message, you can see them. Then spam. This is a spam. Most of people are now spam messages are a suspicious message. This is the reason why it's suspicious. Now maybe um, there's something that qualifies the incoming message to be suspicious to the system, then they will send it as a spam message. Then bin, this is a message that you have deleted or no bin conversations that you want to delete or something like that. Now level, create level, if you want to add something, hide, style or something like that, you can add everything you see. But our class for today is all about the composing a message. So now we want to send a message to someone. So like I will click on compose. Then two, you see by your right hand corner, maybe you see when you kill it before, it's like this. But when I click on compose, now they pop up like a window. Now they say two, meaning who am I going to send the message? Now you already have the email address of the receiver. So let's assume that you want to send message to Jamhacker Technology. Then you say Jamhacker. Click on this. Now the subject. What am I? The subject is the like the heading or the title. Maybe you want to send out a proposal or you want to for consultation service. You just write a consultations. So we may have a heading as a consultation. Now below is the body message. You can write whatever you want to send to us. Maybe you can type whatever you want to type. I want you to serve us as something like that, something like that. Now below before